Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two for ladies' night, and it will be vintage style. So that beautiful floral arrangement, that was a DIY I made. Then we have the tablecloth and the runner, and those items were thrifted. Now these felt placemats, I got those from the Dollar Tree. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today, there is no guest, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you there. Now, don't forget that next Tuesday we have the theme, and the theme is my favorite fruit tablescape. So that's going to be really fun, guys. You don't want to miss it, and I can't wait to see you in that one. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the video as I put this together. All right, so the chargers, they did come from the Dollar Tree. Then we have the pink plates, and that came from Michael's. Now the beautiful salad plates, those were thrifted, and the glassware is Pioneer Woman, and those were thrifted items. So the flatware, I believe that came from Party City. And so this tablescape is looking absolutely amazing. We're going to light the candles and we're going to head on over to the review. Now, I think this tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, and wonderful for ladies' night. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.